This trade was marked up last Sunday. If you're in our newsletter community, then you were ready for this exact move. Today, I'm walking you through how preparation, not prediction, is the key. So every Sunday, I mark up my charts and wait. Remember that waiting is our superpower. It's part of us, so we can use it to our advantage. All right, so let me show you how this setup unfolded and why it was high probability. This was a clean retest of a zone and also a retest of a trend line. There was no rush to jump in because we're on a higher time frame, and we've talked before about the benefits of trading on higher time frames and allowing our GPT trader to help you figure out if you're a higher time frame trader or not, what you're most comfortable with. And after that, I just waited, and then right there, the candle confirmed it, and there you go. It was a high quality trade. We can see here on our chart for EUR USD, we're on the 1 hour time frame. I hope that you were able to catch a trade earlier this week using the information that we shared on Sunday in the newsletter. So what we shared on Sunday was this path. So here was Friday, and one of our scenarios would be that price would come down to this area of 4 hour support and then continue upward. And that's what it did. So after it opened low on Sunday, it came up and filled in this gap here and then continued down to our 4 hour trend line and headed up. This is one of the scenarios that we prepared for. The next trade we caught for the week was a double top, right around the 1.17307 mark. We've got a high here, and then we've got price coming down to this 1 hour area of support. It came back up to this level here and looks like it's starting to drop. So take a look at the 15-minute. Price is starting to continue down. And what I've done to give myself a signal is if price closes below this little 5-minute or 15-minute area of support, then I think I'll go ahead and enter the trade. It's a little risky because we are in an upward trend. So we're just going to wait and see. So what I'll do is click on this and go ahead and set an alert. So we'll click here, and what I'll do is click the alarm. And this is to create an alert on EUR USD. Okay, and so I'll do that. And there we go. And so once price passes this line, I think I'll go ahead and enter the trade. It looks like it's about to now. And as we said before, this is just a practice account. I've just got a little bit of money on here. I'm just practicing different plays. We got an alert that price had gone beyond our area of support on the 15-minute time frame, and so now we're in the trade. And as we said before, this is just a practice account. It's a great way to try things out. If you really just want to take a trade and try a play out, just put a little money on your Oanda Live account, and this is a great way to practice, I think. And so what we'll do is give ourselves a stop loss, maybe right above the highs, and make our TP down here near this area of support. Okay, and so we'll see how it goes. I think once we get past this area here, we can probably move our stop loss into profit, or at least to break even. So we could draw a little line here. Hit the shift bar to make your line straight. And then let's add an alert here, just in case we get distracted. We've gone past this wick, so now we know that it should be okay to move our stop loss into profit. So we'll move it down, like right about there, so we can cover fees. And then we'll wait for it to hit our take profit. Okay. We've got one top here, and we've got another top here. Okay, and it looks like price is coming back up. So if we close above this last 5-minute candle, then I'll go ahead and exit the trade. Let's see if this closes. We'll wait 1 minute and 51 seconds to see where this candle is going to close. And so we'll go ahead and exit now with a little more profit than break even. If you've been guessing and hoping, just remember that preparation wins. Join our newsletter. It will help you think about what's going to be happening in the week ahead, and you'll be prepared. And then we wait. And that's our superpower, being disciplined enough to wait. So join our newsletter community. It's free to sign up. The link is in the description, and we'll see you there. Thanks so much.